So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our mock test question part 3 for database management system. You know about the rule. We will give you question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So, let's start our question number first. Which of the following operations is primarily used to combine tuples from two relations based on a common attribute? So, these are the option: projection, join, selection, division. So, your time starts now. And the answer is B, join. Now let's go to our question number 2. In SQL, which keyword is used to remove duplicate rows from the result of a query? So these are the option: unique, distinct, delete, difference. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, distinct. Now let's go to our question number 3. Which normal form eliminates partial dependency in a relational schema? So these are the option: 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, 2NF. Now let's go to our question number 4. If a relation has transitive dependency, it violates which normal form? So these are the option: 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, 4NF. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, 3NF. Now let's go to our question number 5. The Cartesian product in relational algebra result in, so these are the option: all tuples satisfying a condition, combination of every tuple of one relation with every tuple of another, only tuples with matching attributes, none of these. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, combination of every tuple of one relation with every tuple of another. Now let's go to our question number 6. A candidate key is defined as, so these are the option: a minimal super key, a primary key chosen by the user, a foreign key in another table, a composite key only. So your time starts now. And the answer is a minimal super key. Now let's go to our question number 7. Which of the following is not a type of SQL join? So these are the option: inner join, left outer join, full outer join, central join. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, central join. Now let's go to our question number 8. The primary difference between primary key and unique key in SQL is, so these are the option: primary key allows null values, unique key allows multiple null values, unique key cannot have null values, both are identical. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, unique key allows multiple null values. Now let's go to our question number 9. A foreign key in one relation refers to, so these are the option: super key in another relation, primary key in another relation, any attribute in another relation, unique key in the same relation. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, primary key in another relation. Now let's go to our question number 10. Which of the following ensures referential integrity in relational databases? So these are the option: primary key constant, foreign key constant, check constant, not null constant. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, foreign key constant. Now let's go to our question number 11. In SQL, the command used to permanently delete a relation table is, so these are the option: remove, delete, drop, clear. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, drop. Now let's go to our question number 12. Which of the following operations is not part of relational algebra? So these are the option: union, intersection, sorting, difference. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, shorten. Now let's go to our question number 13. Which of the following is true about BCNF? So these are the option. Every 3NF relation is always BCNF. Every BCNF relation is always in 3NF. BCNF is weaker than 3NF. BCNF allows partial dependencies. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Every BCNF relation is always in 3NF. Now let's go to our question number 14. A natural join is equivalent to, so these are the option, Cartesian product followed by projection, Cartesian product followed by selection and projection, union followed by difference, intersection of tuples only. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Cartesian product followed by selection and projection. Now let's go to our question number 15. The SQL query select from student where marks between 50 and 80 retrieves. So these are the option. Only marks greater than 50, only marks less than 80, marks in the range 50 to 80 inclusive, marks outside the range 50 to 80. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Marks in the range 50 to 80 inclusive. Now let's go to our question number 16. Which data definition language DDL command is used to change the structure of a table? So these are the option: alter, update, modify, change. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, alter. Now let's go to our question number 17. In normalization, a relation in 1NF must not contain. So these are the option: atomic values, composite attributes, multi-valued attributes, candidate keys. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, multi-valued attributes. Now let's go to our question number 18. Which normal form deals with multi-valued dependencies? So these are the options: 2NF, 3NF, 4NF, 5NF. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, 4NF. Now let's go to our question number 19. Which of the following is a lossless joint decomposition property? So these are the options. The decomposed relations can be joined to form the original relation, reduces redundancy completely, eliminates transitive dependencies only, ensures data independence. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. The decomposed relations can be joined to form the original relation. Now let's go to our question number 20. In relational algebra, sigma denotes, so these are the option: projection, selection, join, division. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, selection. Now let's go to our question number 21. Which SQL clause is used to group tuples based on account common attributes? So these are the option: order by, group by, having, distinct. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, group by. Now let's go to our question number 22. If two tables are combined without specifying a join condition, the result is, so these are the option: inner join, outer join, cross join, natural join. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, cross join. Now let's go to our question number 23. Which command in SQL is used to remove all rows from a table but keeps the structure? So these are the option: delete, remove, truncate, drop. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, truncate. Now let's go to our question number 24. Functional dependencies. A tends to B implies. So these are the option: A uniquely determines B, B uniquely determines A. Both A and B are independent. None of these. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. A uniquely determines B. Now let's go to our question number 25. Which of the following is true about a primary key? So these are the options. It can take null values, it can have duplicate values, it uniquely identifies each tuple, it may be composite only. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. It uniquely identifies each tuple. So thank you friends for watching our mock test question part 3 database management system. Now we will meet in next part. So thank you friends for watching our video.